Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, November 14, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2PM result ngayong Tuesday, November 14, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2PM. 3D Lotto 5PM result ngayong hapon ng November 14, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2PM. 'See you again later for 5PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, November 14, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 124 million pesos, and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 128 million pesos for November 14, 2023, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, November 14, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.